Seòl. A dalisteach Seòl ella, entering by another way. Korean Seòl, hoist her sail. Hantlicka Seòlig, the shell is floating. Seòl huckets me, he directed me to you. Seòl matta, a tide. Skil, ehre skilig, boat becoming leaky. Skil amacha, spread it out. Erchev skilig, published abroad. Etach skilig, cloth fraying. Anerst skijich, linen on the bleaching green. Seòl, mo Seòl, upon my person. Seòl of Allah, within the village. A gal na Seòl, getting frightened. Fat and Seòl, the length of the journey all the time. Slán, slán an corp, healthy in body. Slán an engine, sound in mind. Har slán rai, give it to me intact. Slán lat, goodbye. Slán ich an lot, the wound has healed. Va Seòl slán ria, she was under full sail. Smooth, dunje le smoothjer, a drunk man. Va smoothach ger boin, they were busy reaping. Smooth na mara, sea spray. Smooth and raj, dust cloud. Spar, spar eorum, he urged me. Sparen and kerk, the hen roost. Straan, dooncher hraan, slammed in his face. Chimichel na stranja, round the point when sailing. A gal for haan, running off. Rave shin on centran, he took offence at that. Soul, ha soul eker, he expects. Soul ganduke, when he glanced. Ham a hole as a ye, I grudge it, my eye is after it. Gierich hole, just so, exactly, precisely. Soul negria, the teeth or face of the wind. And prippen the sola, in the twinkling blink of an eye. A kayat fantul, casting stealthy glances. Tiv, tiv and uari, on the weather side. Tiv and aski, on the lee side. And tiv of ashing, in our direction. Tarring, a tarring as, teasing him. A tarring buari, causing unrest, inciting a quarrel. And shimmiler a tarring, the chimney venting. And the herring and tea has the tea steeped. A tarring na hachgrach, dragging the anchor. A tarring genia, attracting people. Hook me tarring er, I pulled it, attempted it. A tarring na herach, hauling the boat. Tarring brag and all, order boots for me. A tarring an araver, carrying home the corn. Han law tarring er, the day shows signs of a coming storm. Caun, caun am facus, come near. Caun follow, go away. A caun the gritir, approaching land. A caun the grishanatjach, starting the spring work. Caun ich and tid, tighten the rope. Keisht hiaun, a stiff question. Hook. Hook e baim he found fault with me. Hook erum, he made me. Hook a lame ass, he gave a bound. Hook a towel he made a hole in it. Je hooker. What did you pay for it? Je hookorst. What made you? Hooke shit voaher. He inherited that trait from his father. Chew. Banya chew, thick milk. Nian chew, a stout girl. Chew in a crecken, plentiful on the rocks. Talk. Talk and tea, build the house. Talk and chenna, kindle the fire. Talk and buntata, lift the potatoes. Talk and lean, haul the line. Talk a friege, raise the price. Talk an achgir, weigh the anchor. Talk orstrachi, go home. Talk the olive, get your photograph taken. Hockey at ergu, they accused him of. Hockaroo, the wind abated. Hock me egu, I understood from him that. Hockey at molch na benya, they sighted the summit of the mountain. Hocke fianish, he has become a church member. And the Hocke Kyaun, has he been found? A tackle falav, leaving, carrying off. A tackle ganarum, calling to the colours. A tackle banya, rearing on milk. A tackle anatir, provoking him. A tackle unya, spending time. A tackle nananyaman, getting signatures. Dunya tackle a man prospering. Fer tackle nan salam, the presenter. Banya tackleich, skimmed milk. A hackle na eilcher, nominated for an elder. Tort, a tort gar orm, making me laugh. A tort amach in torri, bewitching cattle. A tort amach in olim, in course of being educated. A tort shachet scala, teaching. A tort niljepair, heading to his bed. A tort amach na buia, obtaining the victory. A tort finier, realizing. A tort soahelish huika, making a good guess at recognizing him. Go marry a hortamach, to win Mary's affection. A tort stacher, overtaking him, reminding him. Lior, a new book. Iasgur, fresh fish.